Introduce highlight features or overview summary of CYBPULTE, jump starter with air compressor, 8000A, 160 PSI. There are features include real-life scenarios, always ready, freezing morning and your car won't start? Clamp it on and go. Family road trip and tire pressure drops? Set the PSI, auto-inflate in minutes. Motorcycle ride through the mountains? Jump starts your bike and handles tire top UPS. Camping off-grid? Plug in your phone or tablet with 65-watt fast charging. No tow truck. No gas station air pump. Just one compact tool for dead batteries, low tires, and dead devices, from daily commutes to weekend getaways. Multifunctional all-in-one jump starter with air compressor. This portable jump starter with air compressor combines car battery jump starting, 160 psi tire inflator, 65-watt USB-C fast charging and LED emergency light in one compact device. One tool to handle dead batteries, low tire pressure and emergency roadside situations. Reliable emergency jump starter for 12V vehicles, exclusively designed for 12V gas vehicles. This car battery jump starter delivers reliable starting power with boost mode for extremely low batteries. Ideal for cars, SUVs, pickup trucks, and motorcycles in daily use or winter emergencies. Built to perform from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. 160 psi tire inflator with auto shut-off. Built-in 160 psi air compressor supports car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball inflation. Preset tire pressure and automatic stop ensure accurate inflation every time. Switch easily between PSI, bar and kPa on the clear LCD screen. 65 watts USB-C fast charging power bank, equipped with 65 watts USB-C PD fast charging. This jump starter also works as a high-speed power bank. Quickly recharge smartphones, tablets, and laptops, and recharge the unit itself faster than standard jump starters. Smart LCD display and multiple safety protections. Large LCD display shows battery level, pressure units, and working status at a glance. Advanced protections include reverse polarity, short circuit, overcurrent, over-temperature and overcharge protection for safe and worry-free use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.